LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. The LEED program began in 1998 and was initially developed by the U.S. Green Building Council. LEED certified buildings use resources more efficiently when compared to conventional buildings simply built to code. Maryland has mandated that certain state projects that use state funding meet minimum LEED specifications. Patapsco Hall at UMBC is one of these projects.
Welcome to the Patapsco Hall Edition. The Patapsco Hall Edition is a 52,000 square foot, 4-story addition which will house new students here at UMBC for the fall 2011 semester. Patapsco Hall is a LEED Silver certified building. So how do we build a LEED building? Well, there are 6 main categories. 1 is our sustainable site. 2 would be our water efficiency. 3 would be energy and atmosphere. 4 would be our materials and resources. 5 would be our indoor environmental quality. And 6 would be an innovative design process.
The basic provisions of LEED process is looking for sustainable development that can be documented through third-party certification. Having a building that is LEED accredited, LEED certified, requires that it goes through an integrated design process to optimize both the design and construction process so we can minimize our use of energy, optimize our use of resources, provide a more friendly interior environment for the building occupants, and essentially minimize our footprint on the campus, both through the construction process and minimize our use of energy in the building long-term use and occupancy.
Behind me is the latest addition to the UMBC campus, which is going to be called Patapsco Hall, which adds 250 more beds to the campus. Should be all right.
What is LEED?
LEED is a series of credits. It's a point rating system that contractors and architects use to help us look towards sustainable design and the betterment of the end user, the end product for the end user. It helps us to look towards reduction in the impacts to our natural resources and sustainability.
And how do you plan on recycling the material that you've created on this site?
Well, we're using, as part of our LEED credit, we're right now pursuing 1 LEED credit for 50% recycling of all construction waste created on site. What we do is we made it simpler by going with a single stream recycling company, so all the debris goes into one dumpster, taken off site, and sorted at the recycling center. In the past, we'd use 3 or 4 dumpsters and separate material, gypsum board, insulation, etc. This way, we get a much simpler product and a much more efficient use of the recycling program.
And how many LEED points will that give you?
This will get us 1 LEED credit for 50% of all construction waste diverted from the landfill. There is the opportunity to get 75%, or 2 credits by recycling 75%.
Have you ever heard of LEED? L-E-E-D. Yeah. Have you ever heard of LEED? L-E-E-D. No. Okay. Have y'all ever heard of LEED? No. Have you ever heard of LEED? No? Okay, thanks.